Hey, concrete friends. Welcome to leftovers. I've got leftover concrete. What do you do with leftover concrete? I've also got a pretty dirty mold here. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe out before we start any work. You do not want to work with dirty molds. Clean them out as best you can. Okay, ooh, messy. Here, we'll just go a little drip, 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 drip. Some water. Get this cleaned out. That should do us just fine. That one. That one. Shake out the extra dirt. Okay, clean. There we go. So, leftover concrete. What do you do with leftovers? Don't throw it out. Make something. What are we going to make? Well, I don't know. An interesting amount of concrete, though. Enough to make something fun. So let's do some hex tile. Why hex tile? Hex tile is useful for a lot of different things. Coasters, for one. A hex tile makes a great coaster. But also, you get enough hex tile, and you can just, like, tile. So we've got enough for 3. So I'm going to load these up, pat them out, and let's see what we get. 3 beautiful hex tile. And a good use of leftovers, because I don't want to throw this stuff out. I've already added mineral pigment. You've already added mineral pigment. Why would you throw out concrete that's already ready and to make something beautiful? The amount of time and effort it took to actually put the pigment in there and mix it up, let's not waste that. So let's be good stewards of our materials. Okay, I think I've picked up all the little crumbs. I'm just going to give this a little tap on the table. Just keep on tapping. This works too. A little shake back and forth. A little shimmy shake, we call this. Yeah, it's the shimmy shake. I think we're there. I like that. Now I'm just gonna do last little bit of leveling out taps here. Make sure we're nice and level. Okay. And that's the end of our leftovers. Easy, folks. We used up some leftovers and probably got something beautiful, a little gift for somebody here. A little gift for a friend that you can say, I made this by hand. Fun, right? I think so. Using up concrete leftovers, putting concrete into little molds and making little things that we give to our friends, our good friends. Or using at home for ourselves. Maybe I need some new coasters. Now I've got them. Lucky me, right? Catch you on the cured side. That's just 4 hours. 4 hours from now, we're going to take a look at this together and see what we got. Something beautiful, I am quite certain. Bye, everybody. Concrete friends, 4 hours later, we're back to our leftovers. Let's see what we got. We made this just garbage concrete. I was going to throw it out. Tiny little clumps of colored, pigmented concrete that we made. I was going to toss it in the garbage, but I decided to keep it. Because I wanted to make something still. And here's what we made. Oh, let's see. I like this one. It's almost got a bit of a, look at this. Ah, cool. Look at the flow of this thing. Very cool. These are beautiful. That's what we did with leftovers. Made some beautiful little hex tile that we can use ourselves or give to some friends. If you got any questions, comments, leave them below. Check out our website, concreteconcrete.com. I got a ton of information, free guides and stuff on there for you. Basically, if you've got any questions about concrete and you want to know how you can be using concrete at home for arts and crafts, even for renovation purposes too, we can talk about that. I'm fairly well versed. Let's chat. Let me know. Bye, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.